Thank you.
Okay, now we still have one our last presenter. The presenter have paper with the title E-Portfolio in Improving Critical Thinking. Sutra, this is for Ahmad Faid that waiting until the last moment. Okay, so now time is yours. Mr.
Thank you, Pak Edianto. Is my voice is clear?
Yes, very
Yes,
clear.
sir.
Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. It is very great opportunity from Universitas Negeri Malang. Thank you as organizer of these conferences. My name is Ahmad Fawaid as the coordinator of this research, and my partner is Putri Handayani and Yahya Aulia Abdillah from Amikom Yogyakarta. I will be presenting one of the topic that I believe is very relevant to our today discussion in terms of education is that a portfolio in improving critical thinking and self-management without lesson study. A study on writing pedagogy in higher education. I'm sorry my pronunciation is like Indonesian style, Pak Mardianto. Your English is better, I think. Now, let's begin by providing an overview of the research background. The critical thinking, as we know, that has become one of the key importance of modern education, recognized as the essential skill across all fields of the study, and self-management. Self-management refers to the ability to organize, monitor, and regulate one's learnings is another key competencies that students must master to be successful both academically and professionally. However, we know that fostering this skill is not easy thing, it's not easy task, especially within the traditional lecture-based education systems like in my university, is Islamic boarding school. While most of the lecturers are useful for imparting knowledge. They often lack of the interactive and reflective elements needed to develop their cognitive abilities, such as how to improve the student critical thinking and self-management. A portfolio offer a promising solution. This digital performance, like provided by the Google, for instance, allow students to document their learning process, reflect on their progress, receive their feedback, and assess their own works. They encourage active engagement. Portfolio encourage active engagement of the student rather than passive learning, enable them to take ownership of their educational journey. In other side, lesson study, a structured approach, as we know, the process of the planning, implementing, and reflecting on lessons provide a collaborative framework for instructor and lecturer to enhance their teaching practices among the student. So, therefore, the study sought to explore the potential synergy between a portfolio and lesson study to improve two important skills is that self-management and also the writing skill. My research question is that how does the integration of a portfolio within the lesson study impact student critical thinking skill? And the second is that how does this approach enhance the student self-management abilities, particularly in writing pedagogy? To improve, I have to make sure that my slide is moving. Okay, yeah, moving. And to investigate this question, we conducted a quasi-experimental study at the university level, especially in our university, Universitas Nurul Jadid, focusing on two groups of students. One group utilizing a portfolio and the other group relying on traditional paper-based portfolio. In total, 53 students participate, and this study was structured around seven cycle of lesson study, each consisting of the planning, doing, seeing stages, allowing for continuous improvement and reflection. Our research method was designed to assess the impact of this combined approach between lesson study and also the portfolio itself. We collect data of the pre-test and post-test to measure the critical thinking and self-management improvement, as well as qualitative observation to capture nuances of the student engagement and interaction, of course. The experimental group used the Google Sheet as the platform for their portfolio, while the control group followed a more conventional method, paper-based portfolio, of course. Result and finding. me discuss our result of our research, starting with critical thinking. Throughout the 7th cycle of the lesson study, we observe a steady improvement in student critical thinking. You will see under the table in the first cycle, for instance, critical thinking improved by 5% during the planning stage, 10% during the implementation stage, and settle at the 8% during the reflection. As we move into the second cycle, this gain become even more pronounced. Critical thinking peaked at the 15% during the implementation of the second cycle, which is very significant improvement, although there was a dip to 13% in the reflection stage. It is important that this fluctuation between the implementation and reflection stage are quite normal, I think, during the lesson study. This process reflecting of one learning often brings challenges to life, but it is this reflective cycle that deeper understanding and critical thinking are developed. This is most important. But the most important thing also is that consistent improvement across the cycle indicate that the integration of a portfolio with the lesson study provide a structured and effective means to enhance critical thinking for the student. Now we turn to the self-management. We observe similar pattern of improvement in the first cycle. Students' self-management skill improved by 7 during the planning stage, and you can see in the table. But most importantly, that these results suggest that a portfolio, by allowing students to continuously monitor and reflect on their progress, significantly enhance their ability to manage their own learning. And in addition to the lesson study, we conduct also the quasi-experimental analysis. You see the result of the quasi-experiment in the right of the table, right of the scheme. For critical thinking, the model produced a F-value of 5.019 with a significant level 0.01, while self-management, the F-value is 7.57 with significant level 0.001. So it results are significant. Okay, the concluding remark. In conclusion, a portfolio combined with lesson studies significantly enhance critical thinking and self-management. Thank you, Pak Mardianto.
Okay, you're welcome. Then now I open for one question. Is it any question for this presenter? Okay, if not, I have one question for Mr. Ahmad Fawaid. Why you choose lesson study for this media portfolio? Okay, still unmute.
Thank you for the insightful question, Pak Edianto. We choose lesson study because it provides a structured, collaborative approach that focuses on the continuous improvement. That is very important of the process of the learning process, I think. The cycle nature of planning, plan, do, see, complement the reflective process of a portfolio, like the similar process, I think. This combination, I think, allow both student and also the teacher to engage in ongoing assessment and refinement as the one of the important aspect of the life. We know in the new curriculum, the independent curriculum, making it an ideal fit for developing critical thinking, also the self-management skill in writing pedagogy. I think it is one of my answers, sir. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. This is a very presenter already give the best presentation and good paper in this international conference in engineering and technology. Now, in the last, I ask you to open your camera, and then we can take a picture together.
Pak Dian, we cannot change I cannot change my background. Probably
yes,
one of it.
Yeah.
Yes, in Google Meet I cannot change my background.
Some features are missing, I think.
Another presenter, please open your camera. Then I will count down. Sharizal Jananda, Reva. Ikiana Pila, Lovina, and Kaila. Okay, I will wait for 5 seconds. Okay, I will start. Please give your best smile. Okay, I will count down. 1, 2, 3. Okay, one more. One again. Okay, I will. 1, 2, 3. Okay, finish. I hope you enjoy and have a good experience in this content. See you again in another agenda. And thank you very much. See you.
Thank you Pak Edianto.
Thank you.
Terima kasih.
Terima kasih.
Thank you, Pak Dianto.